Hello, I'm Ren Yi. Today I want to share what is the right way stand in ballet. What are the details that people miss in their ballet class. Please wear anything comfortable and casual and follow me. Let's start. So today we discuss about 5 things: head, shoulder, body, pelvis, and our feet positions. Feet position here is about how can you stand on the feet and how can you find a balance on the feet. So we are not talking about the ballet feet position. Let's start from the head first. First, the head is sitting on your neck. So sitting means this is your neck. So this is the joints which is connect with your head. So the head actually is sitting on that. So this is the feelings. So why I want to share this to you, because I saw a lot of students and the dancers, they will do this or that. So you can't really tell them how can you find the middle line of your head feeling sitting on your spine. So this is very important for a dancer. And second we discuss about the shoulder. In ballet, we try to open our shoulder. Open means you stretch this part, you stretch this part. Then make sure this part of the muscle line and behind the part of the muscle, they are same length. This is the feeling. So this is imagination. They are same length. So you have to open wide this part of shoulders. So try to feel you have a wings behind. It starts from the shoulder blade. So the wings behind is stretch and expand that way to the side. So if I want to say how my shoulder plays, the shoulder actually is in the middle line of the sewing line of the clothes, is that way. So if you want to try to feel that, so this is the feelings. And body, I have to say body have to be square. Square means you have 4 points. 1, 2 shoulders, 2, pelvis, 3, and 4. This 4 joints, you need to square it. So this is meaning of square. How can we square it? You stand straight, it's a square. But actually some people is doing that. Or some people is doing that. Or we will link forward, or stretch forward, or behind. So you feel the balance is you really like a card. So when I talk to my student, I will say, okay, use a magic pen and draw a line here and here and here and here and here, and this is a square. So you draw a magic square here. So this is about the body. Then the next one, number 4, is about the pelvis. Pelvis, just imagine, pelvis is very important for us in your dance, in your movement. Pelvis is like this. The bone is like this. So pelvis should be straight. I will tell my student, the pelvis is like a bowl, So you feel in the water. So they are straight, and the feeling is you are holding the water. Don't let the water spill out. So the pelvis, you are not tilting in front, or you're tilting behind, or tilting to the side. So pelvis is like stay straight and balanced. This is the feeling of the pelvis. Let's move down to the feet. So the last, not least, is talking about our feet. How do your feet stand on the floor and contact on the floor and feel it? So feet, find the 3 points. 1, 2, and 3. These 3 points, you have to really stand on the floor when you stand. So it means the feet, you are not rolling. What's the meaning of rolling? Rolling means this. So you roll your feet and try to shift your balance in front. Or some people, they are rolling behind. So this is called rolling. And in ballet, it's very important. We are not give a lot of chance for our ankles to have a lot of flexibility, because once you're on point, it's not allow you to do that, and it's cause a lot of injuries if your ankle is not stable. So in the basic training, we just tell students, you don't do that, even wobbly. So when you stand, you feel that, and we have a little bridge under our feet. No matter you are flat feet or you are not. You always can find a little arch under the feet. So the little arch always need to show when you stand. And the toes is straight and contact the floor and relax. Because some of students, when they feel nervous or they want to find more balance, and they will do this, they clench the toes. So you really need to stretch it and relax it and stand on that. And this is a basic when you dance any art form in the dance area, you need to stand on that. So when you understand all of this, when you and your body understand everything, how you stand to feel that, and the weight balance is in the middle, in between of your feet actually. And for ballet, just a small tips. Actually, we shift a little bit in front. The feeling is your heels are light. So you are not putting weight on your heels when you stand. Yeah, this is because of the technique or because of this art form. So we shift the weight a little bit on your metatarsal here, front. If you like to know more tips and tricks, please click and subscribe below. Thank you so much. Bye bye.